welcome back to our channel. In this video, it details on how to publish a product in Odoo 15 website. In order to publish a product, it can be done both in the backend and the front end as well. So now let's go to the website module and choose the go to website option available in the e-commerce dashboard. So here we can see the option new and click on that. And here we will get the options like page, blog post, event, forum, job offer, product, course and the appointment form. So to create a new product, we can choose the product option and a pop-up window will appear. Here we can add the product name. Later we can click on this create icon. After that we re-enters into a new page and we can see that the product is created. So to make the necessary changes on the created product and to customize the page according to your need, it can be done from here. So we can start the editing from here. And it is possible to add a short description of this product and we can change the price of this product. Then we can set the terms and conditions, shipping details and the money back details here. So to add an image for this product, we can double tap here. So it is possible to search an image here or else we can upload an image or add an URL here. Then it is possible to make the changes in the theme colors. Then we can choose the font. Then it is possible to add many blocks from here. So after making these changes, we can click on the save icon. So here we can see the changes that we have made it. Later we can enable the published option to make the product visible on the website. Now let's go to the shop and search the product that we have created. So here we can see the newly published product. Now let's see how to create and publish a product through the backend of Odoo 15 website module. For that we can go to the website module and choose the product menu. So here we can see the products along with the internal reference, categories, responsible person, sales price, cost, quantity on hand, forecasted quantity and the unit of measure. So we can click on this create icon to create a new product or else we can choose a unpublished product. So this is the published, so this is a list of all the published product. From here we can choose a product. So when we open this, we can see that it is not published. So we can click on that and we will redirect to the website. And here we can see the option to publish this. After that, we can go to the shop and search this product. Here we can see the product. So this is how we publish a product in Odoo 15 website. So if you are interested in knowing more about Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.